Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. I am barefaced. I did just want to record this small haul that I have. Then I have a Instagram Halloween look going on. So before I stained my face, I thought I would show y'all some of my new things. First, we're going to start off with the BoxyCharm add-on. This was for September. I did very good. I only got a few things. The add-on feature and the pop-up was one of the things that brought me back to BoxyCharm. I do enjoy my boxes. Not every month, but for the most part, I feel like I get the value for my money. So I did pick up the Hip Dot Zion palette that just came out in our boxes. Now, I did not receive this. I got the Blink palette. When I contacted BoxyCharm, they did email me back. They are sending me this palette. So this will go into a future giveaway. But I did pick this up. I have used it once. You will see it in my fall favorites. Love it. So I got that. Then I picked up the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Everybody was telling me how good this was. I did pick up 2 of these. So one of them will also go into the giveaway box. Just because I heard it was a great bronzer. I also picked up the Milk Makeup Kush Microfiber Gel in Haze. Now, I've not tried this, so I am very interested in trying it. I've been using the Essence Make Me Brow. This one is a little light, although this one looks a little light too, so guess we'll see. Then I picked up the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. Now, I am a lover of all things toner. And it's just beautifully packaged. Glass bottle. Can't wait to use that. I am still using the number 7 toner. So when that is empty, I will start on this. And then last but not least, I picked up the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer that I heard such great things about, which I'm not going to open this yet. I do have a moisturizer I am using, but when I do use this, I will let you know what I think about it. I will let y'all know what I think about all of these items. So do stick around. I am getting ready to pick the winner of the mystery box for my birthday, and I believe I will stick this in there and that other palette. If it makes it in on time with BoxyCharm, you never know. So, either way, this will be in a future giveaway, if not the giveaway that I have going on right now. The next thing is from Sephora. Now, last month, sounds so funny, today's October 1st, but in September was my birthday. So from Sephora, I picked up the Milk Makeup Happy Birthday little thing that they had this year. You got a lip and cheek stain, a mascara, and a sample of the Hydro Grip Primer, which I'm super excited to try this. I've heard nothing but great things about that, so I really am excited to try that. With my points, I picked up the Tatcha Deep Cleanse and Water Cream. I've not tried either of these. This did run me 300 points, but I can't wait to try it out. But the reason that I went there is because of Adventures of Zena. I always get her name wrong, and I do apologize, but she has got a huge Pat McGrath giveaway going on for hitting her 4K watch hours. And they did have these on sale. It's the Pat McGrath Eye Ecstasy in Sublime palette. I've never tried anything Pat McGrath, so I'm super excited to try this. Those are the colors. I will be doing a look with this. But yes, that is totally your fault. And then for my samples, I picked out the Wonder Beauty Liquid Foundation and the Tom Ford Traceless Soft Matte Foundation for my samples. So that is what I ordered from Sephora. And then last but not least, guys, I have been loving Glamlite. Just every time I see a palette from them, my heart just goes blah, 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 blah. I gotta have it. And I had not had these two palettes, so I did finally get them. I did purchase the Ice Cream Dream palette. When it comes in, we will be going over that. But I did finally get my hands on the Cake palette and the Paint palette. So, super excited to have both of these in my collection now. They are just beyond words. I mean, Glamlite, for packaging, they got it. Hands down. Hands down. Beautiful, beautiful palette. Cannot wait to get in there and play with that. This just got here. My son just dropped it off. So, I will probably be using at least one of these for my Instagram Halloween look. But they are just absolutely beautiful palettes. And this one holds a special place because I love to paint. I mean, for real, in real life, I love to paint. So having one of my favorite hobbies and my makeup obsession in one, yep, sign me up. I absolutely love it. And for presentation, this is how it arrived. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So, that was my small haul. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. I am sorry that I look so rough, but I did already film 2 videos, and I'm getting ready to do that IG look. But I did want to get this up so that I can use some of these things. Comment down below. Let me know if you got anything from Add-On. Let me know if you've tried Glamlite and what you think about it. Let me know if you got the Ice Cream Dream palette. Have you tried Pat McGrath? What are your thoughts on it? And give this video a like or a dislike. Either way, it really does help me out. I greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell. That way you get notified of any and every video I put up. And as always, guys, until next time, love yourself and remember that I love you too.